Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, all of you. अथर्व गुप्ता का माइक कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है, बेचारा बहुत कोशिश कर रहा है.
Morning, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून. Students join very late in this class. बहुत देर से वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं. Yes, all of you ready? Please start your videos. Everyone, start your video. All of you, please start your video. बच्चों,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. Vidushi,
Sir,
good
what
afternoon.
we are doing now?
We are waiting for the students to join and start their video.
Fine, sir.
The students join very late.
Yes, sir.
How long? Okay, let us start. I think we have
So,
waited enough.
I'm just wearing my watch for it. Yes, sir. So we were doing a definition. We have to start the exercise 4.4.
Yes. Have you all written the definition of angle?
Yes, I have written it.
Okay. We already know how to measure angles.
Yes, sir. Please see my angle that I have made.
Just a minute.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
very good, Vidushi. Very good, excellent.
Thank you, sir. So can we start the exercise now?
Yes. Okay, let us start the exercise. Exercise 4.4. How many angles? First question. Ready, all of you? How
Yes.
many angles are formed in figures given below? ये जो फिगर्स
Sir,
आपको दे रहे हैं, इसमें कितने एंगल्स हैं ये हमको पता लगाना है. काउंट एंड नेम देम. Do you know how to name angles? Let
Yes,
me
so
tell you how to name the angles. I will help you out in this.
I know how to name.
Excellent.
Sir, I also.
ऐसे करके एक ट्रायंगल गिवन है फर्स्ट पार्ट में. So this is question 1, first part. The name of the triangle is ABC. Okay. How many angles? Number of angles in the figure?
So 3 angles are there.
3 angles. Names of the angles?
So AB, BC,
No,
CA.
no, 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 no. You are naming the sides.
So
Suppose,
ABC,
suppose if I want to name this angle, what is the name of this angle?
so A.
Yes, Abhay, batao beta.
Sir, first angle is BAC.
Very good. Angle BAC ऐसे करके नेम करेंगे. देखो बेटा,
Okay, sir.
ये जिस पॉइंट से ये एंगल आपका जॉइंट है, ये एंगल कौन से पॉइंट से जॉइंट है? द
So
वर्टेक्स
A.
ए वर्टेक्स से. वेरी गुड. तो ए लेटर जो होगा वो बीच में आएगा. ए लेटर बीच में लिखेंगे. तो क्या नेम होगा इसका? BAC. BAC. जब आप अपनी फिंगर बी से स्टार्ट करेंगे, देखिए ऑल ऑफ यू, बी से स्टार्ट करिए, फिर मूव करिए ए की तरफ, मूव करिए फिंगर को, BA, फिर सी की तरफ जाइए, सी. तो बीच में कौन सा एंगल आ रहा है? ये वाला एंगल आ रहा है बीच में. When you will move your fingers, you will understand कि क्या नेम है. एंगल का नेम BAC क्यों लिखा है हमने? Because when we are moving our fingers, ये वाला एंगल बीच में आ रहा है. So that is why the name of the angle is angle BAC. What is the name of this angle?
Sir, which?
ये वाला second.
Sir, ABC.
Angle
ABC.
ABC. Angle ABC. Very good. And the third one,
So
this
C,
angle.
BCA, BCA.
CB.
एंगल BCA भी बोल सकते हैं, एंगल ACB भी बोल सकते हैं, दोनों ठीक है. एंगल BCA एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. ठीक है. वेरी गुड. सो वी हैव लर्नड हाउ टू नेम एंगल्स. सेकंड केस में फिगर आपको दिया हुआ है ऐसा कुछ.
So once again, I'm doing it. So once again, okay.
यस यस यस, ऑल ऑफ यू. Ready, all of you?
No,
Have
sir,
you all
I'm just doing.
counted the angles?
No, sir, once again, I'm doing the first part.
Okay.
So can I send the work of this exercise today?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have to draw the figures.
No, beta, not required. No need to draw the figure. Just write the answers in your copy.
Okay, sir.
So what I have drawn.
No problem.
So because Gaurav sir has told that it is a compulsion to draw a figure.
Not in every question, beta. Wherever, actually, in some questions, the figure which is given in the book, and you don't have to do any construction in that figure. So it is not that necessary.
Okay, so
In most of the questions, yes, we have to draw in the copies, but not in every question.
so can I draw my figures in this question only?
Yes. You ready?
So I have done this figure. So done.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so let us discuss the answers. I hope you all are ready now. So number of angles. Number of angles
Number
in
of
this
angles
one.
are 4. 4 angles are there.
Only 4.
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir, 10.
Ah,
But there are 8 angles. 8
number
angles.
of angles. 1,
Sorry,
2,
sir,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles are there.
8.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 8.
8 angles. Let me name all the 8 angles. First of all, ये वाला देखो. What is the name? Angle QPS. Easy. Second one, angle QRP. QRS, sorry. Angle QRS. ठीक है, 2 हो गए. थर्ड वाले पे आए. This angle, only this much. So what is the name? Vidushi will tell us the name of this angle.
So I don't know totally.
This one.
Sir,
What is the
this
name?
is sir, this is an acute angle.
What is the name of this angle?
So acute angle.
नहीं, acute angle तो is a type of angle. This is a type of acute angle, but you have to name it like this. ये जो हम name दे रहे हैं angle को.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What is the name of
P,
this?
PQS.
Absolutely correct. Angle PQS. Very good. This angle, what is the name?
Sir, this is
P. Goranshi will tell.
PSQ.
Goranshi. Let Goranshi tell. Goranshi, what is the name of this angle? This one.
The PSQ.
PSQ. So again, Goranshi will tell us what is the name of this angle.
The Q, sir, RSQ.
Angle RSQ. Absolutely correct. चलिए, Abhay Rana will tell us. Abhay Rana will tell us the name of, the name of this angle. What is the name of this angle, Abhay?
Sir, PQR.
ये वाला बेटा ध्यान से देखो, ये सिर्फ
SQR. Sir, SQR.
एंगल SQR. करेक्ट. चलिए, शताक्षी, आर यू रेडी?
Yes.
देखो फिगर को, देखो ध्यान से. ये वाला एंगल बताना है आपको. ये वाला दिख गया?
Yes, sir.
टेल द नेम।
The PSQ.
PSQ, क्यू लेटर तो बीच में आएगा। PQR is the name of this angle. Angle PQR, ये पूरा एंगल, दोनों एंगल को मिला के बन रहा है ये। Am I right? ये जो बड़ा वाला एंगल है, ये दोनों एंगल छोटे छोटे को मिला के बनता है, मिक्स करके, ऐड करके बनता है। ओके।
Yes, sir. And the last one, that.
शौर्य सिंह, देखो ध्यान से, यू विल टेल अस द नेम ऑफ दिस वन। शौर्य सिंह, ये एंगल का नाम बताइए। यस। शौर्य सिंह, शौर्य सिंह is not available. He is out of reach, out of network area. अभय राणा,
Sir, PSR.
angle PSR, excellent. Angle PSR. So these are the 8 angles. 8 angles हैं बेटा इसमें, ठीक है? Do yourself the third part, all of
Sir,
you.
it is easy.
I started also.
Very good. Do the third part yourself. Okay, all of you. Done? Third part.
Yes, I have done.
How many angles?
Sir, I also.
The five
Sir, five.
angles are there.
Five
The five
angles. I am
angles.
naming all the 5 angles. You all check your answers. Angle BAE.
So I have written ABC, ACB.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ बेटा विदुषी विदुषी. Check your answers. Angle BAE, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDE, angle DEA. These are the 5 angles. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा बहुत आपका लेटर्स आगे पीछे भी हो सकते हैं, बट
So my
names could be different. But these are the 5 angles. We can name one angle in 2 ways. For example, if we are naming angle ABC, तो इसको हम एंगल ABC भी बोल सकते हैं, एंगल CBA भी बोल सकते हैं, उल्टा भी बोल सकते हैं CBA. That is also correct. Okay. So we have done the first question. Let us start the second question. Question 2. Ready, all of you?
yes, sir.
Yes,
In the
sir.
given figure, name the points.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have done the question too.
वेरी गुड बेटा. आपको बस इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर रीजन आपने पढ़ लिया था, डेफिनेशन लिखी थी इंटीरियर रीजन एक्सटीरियर रीजन की.
Yes, sir, I have written.
तो दिस इज एन एंगल. ऐसा रीजन जो एक एंगल के बीच में आ रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस रीजन आई एम शेडिंग इट लाइक दिस. इसके बीच में जो भी रीजन आएगा, ये क्या हुआ?
Sir, YSR.
ये दिख रहा है आपको रीजन? ये वाला ये वाला ये वाला ये सारा, ये जो रीजन
Yes,
है एंगल
sir.
के बीच वाला, एंगल के सामने का फ्रंट रीजन जो है, that is called as इंटीरियर रीजन. ये सब इंटीरियर रीजन है. इसके बाहर का जो भी है दैट इज ऑल एक्सटीरियर रीजन ऑफ द एंगल. यानी कि द रीजन विच इज शेडेड विद ऑरेंज कलर, दिस इज ऑल एक्सटीरियर. ठीक है, क्लियर? दिस इज ऑल नोन एज एक्सटीरियर रीजन ऑफ द एंगल. हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड
Yes, sir.
एक्सटीरियर एंड इंटीरियर? सो बताइए,
Yes, sir.
एंगल एपीएक्स के इंटीरियर में कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं? लुक एट द
Sir,
फिगर गिवन इन द बुक. इंटीरियर में पॉइंट्स कौन कौन से हैं?
Sir,
Sir,
S,
Y
Y.
and R. Sir,
Point
YSR.
S, point R, and point Y. These are
Yes.
the points which are in the interior region of the angle. Exterior region में कौन कौन से हैं?
Sir,
Sir,
D
D
and G.
and G.
Point D and point G are in the
and G.
exterior. एंड एंगल की बाउंड्री, बाउंड्री यानी कि जो इंटीरियर में भी नहीं है एक्सटीरियर में भी नहीं है, एग्जैक्टली एंगल के ऊपर आते हैं, बाउंड्री पर आते हैं.
Sir, A,
So these
B,
angles are,
C, X.
Sir, B and C.
Sir, A, B, C, X.
yes, there are 4
And sir,
points
P.
on the boundary. There are 4
Okay,
points, point A, point B, point C, and point X.
And sir,
And
P.
also point P also, you can see it is on the boundary. Correct. Done? All of you written the answers?
Yes, sir. Sir, done.
third exercise we have to do in the book only.
We will see, beta. If any question will be required to do in the copy, we will do it.
No, sir. I am saying the third question of this exercise is we can do it in the book itself.
Let me see. Look at the, yes, we will do it in the book. Yes, Phillips. We will do.
We have done it now.
Yes, we will do it in the book. Point
Sir,
B, ये यहाँ पर एक फिगर गिवन है, उसको देख के हमको आंसर करना है. Point B is in the interior of angle AOC and point B एंगल AOC और एंगल कौन से एंगल के बीच में आता है?
AOD.
AOD, absolutely correct, very good, excellent. AOC और AOD दोनों के बीच में आता है point B. ठीक है. Can you all write the answers yourself of this question? Question 3.
Yes, I have written all.
Okay. Completed, all of you. Those who have not done, completed. Question 3. Write the answers yourself in the book. We will be checking it after 1 minute.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm saying that in question 3 we have to write only the answers.
Write the answers in the book.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ready, all of you? So I'm telling you all the answers. You all need to check your answers. Everyone, done all the parts of question C?
Yes,
Question
sir.
3, sorry. Okay,
Yes,
second
sir.
part. First part we have already discussed. Angle AOD is the answer of the first part. Second part, point C is in the interior of angle BOD
Sir,
and
again
angle
AOD.
AOD. Yes, दोनों part का same answer है, angle AOD. Third part, point C and dash lie in the
Sir,
exterior
D.
of angle AOB. Point C and D.
Sir, D.
D. ठीक है, D आएगा थर्ड पार्ट का आंसर. Fourth part, points A and dash lie in the exterior of angle COD. Points A and
Sir,
B.
B.
B is the answer
Sir,
of
B.
the fourth part. B for boy. ठीक है. Fifth part,
Okay.
point C lies on dash and angle COD.
Sir, CON.
Lies on dash and एंगल COD. पॉइंट C कौन कौन से दो एंगल के ऊपर लाई करता है?
Sir,
एंगल
CO
BOC
and
एंड
A.
एंगल COD. BOC आएगा. AOC भी लिख सकते थे आप. AOC भी करेक्ट है, BOC भी करेक्ट है एंड COD तो ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ ही है हमको. एंगल
Okay,
BOC
sir.
भी लिख सकते हैं, एंगल AOC भी लिख सकते हैं, बोथ आर करेक्ट.
So can I be COA?
Yes. Angle B, points B and C lie in the interior of dash. Points
Sir,
B and C
AOD.
lies in the interior of dash.
Sir, AOD.
Yes, angle AOD. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, have you all tried question 4?
So I've done also.
Done. Very good.
So can I tell the first one?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am saying that I have done the fourth question.
Okay.
So the answer of one right angle is 90 degree.
How many degrees are there in the following angles? One right angle. What is the meaning of one right angle?
90
Right, 90 degrees.
Triangle.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I've done this in the book itself.
Sir, I also.
Yes. It is to be done in the
I
book
have done
only.
the copy.
No problem. कहीं भी कर लो बेटा. First part का आंसर है 90 degrees.
The second is 180 degree.
Two right
No,
angles
sir.
means
Yes,
2
sir.
into 90, which is equal to 180
The
degrees.
180.
Two right angles. 2 into 90 यानी कि 180. Okay.
So
Third
third
part.
part is 270 degree.
Three right angles यानी कि 3 into 90.
270.
270 degrees.
70 degree.
So can I tell the
The
fourth
next
part?
is 60 degree. The 60
The
degree.
60 degree.
The fifth one
Yes.
is 135
135
degree.
degree.
Yes.
So 1